Chloe, and welcome to the American Girl Dolls Kids Cooking with Chloe. Today, we are making Pillsbury Orange Sweet Rolls. Since I'm only 11, we're going to make pre-made items and bake them in the oven. Are you ready? Don't forget to preheat the oven to 400. It's time to open the rolls and place them on the cookie sheet. Rolls are open. And now the rolls are on the cookie sheet. Now it's time to put the rolls in the oven. Don't burn yourself. Let's set the timer for 15 minutes. Now that we have some free time, don't you just love our cookie jar? The rolls are ready. Let's grab our oven mitt.
Okay, hold on.
Make sure you wear an oven mitt when you take the rolls out of the oven. They smell so good. But we have to frost them first. And here it is, our finished Pillsbury orange roll. Let's have a taste. Those are wonderful. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.